Hello, everyone. My name is Eyal Kaufman, and I would like to invite you to a very effective and professional webinar that will take place on December 13 of this year. We are going to focus on predictive analytics and how predictive analytics modules and implementation can boost your manufacturing efficiency and product quality. As I said, my name is Eyal Kaufman. I'm expert on AI manufacturing analytics. I have many years of experience in the manufacturing industry, and I'm sure that this webinar will be very useful and effective for you. We are going to discuss how predictive analytics can help. We are going to discuss how to implement predictive analytics modules. We are going to discuss how this can help us creating end-to-end control over the entire manufacturing process worldwide of every manufacturing location that we have, including our vendors and contract manufacturers. We are going to discuss ways to overcome this critical problem of lack of availability of data because of many different data structures. We are going to discuss solutions of how to map the data in an automatic way. We are also going to share real information from use cases of customers that are using predictive analytics in their solutions and also OEE modules as predictive analytics. We are going to share information about how to predict machine failures and product failures. So all in all, it's going to be very useful webinar, and I welcome you to register and to get effective value to your ongoing activities and daily challenges. Thank you very much and looking forward to see you. Have a nice day.